Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome to today's session. This is Amirash, and I hope that each and every one of you is doing amazingly awesome. Today's session is on NTSE Maths Topics List. That is the mental ability test of 100 marks in NTSE. NTSE, I hope you're aware about it. I've made a video also regarding NTSE. What is it exactly? The National Talent Search Examination, which offers scholarships to the students who actually need it, to the intelligent and hardworking students, right? So this year, probably NTSA is going to be conducted in May as it was postponed. Normally, it is conducted in January, but this year, due to COVID crisis, it is going to be conducted in May. Tentative dates are like that. But students often ask that SAT topics are clear to us. That is the science, mathematics, and social studies topics. But what about this mental ability test? Scholastic aptitude test that is going to test your academic knowledge, but mental ability tests your logical thinking, how much you are able to think logically, how much you're able to reason on that point of time. So I'll be telling you the syllabus, the basic topics list that you have to prepare, that you should be aware of. That is the main motto of this session, right? Okay. Now, the students must note that the NTC Stage 1 will include the questions from the amended syllabus of their education board. Now, your education board can be CBSE, ICSE, or the state board, not anything else, I suppose. So, it will depend on your board, right? And on your state. State wise, it is going to be different. This year, many boards have decided to continue with the reduced class and syllabus in the wake of rising COVID-19 pandemic. The stage 1 exam of NTSE will exclude questions from the topic that have been deleted. So it is possible that NTSE might not include the deleted topics, but we are not sure. It depends from state to state. The syllabus of the NTSE 2022 is broadly based on topics covered in class 9 and 10. This should be very clear to you. Hmm. Covered in class 9 and 10, the entire syllabus. Let's say this is my NCERT book of class 10 science. You have to read each and every chapter to be on a safer side. Okay. There are objective type questions from both the papers, mental ability test and scholastic aptitude test on relevant topics. So just MCQs are going to be asked. That is easy. Okay, the SAT is based on questions from social science, science and mathematics subjects. So I hope that is clear to you. Okay, the math paper will be based on questions for verbal and non-verbal abilities such as reasoning and critical thinking. If you are able to think critically on that topic, if you're able to understand the situation and examine it, then find your answer. That is what math tests your mental ability. That is why it's not there in your school syllabus. Also, the topics include analogy, classification, numerical series, pattern, perception, hidden figure, etc. Okay, I would say it's based on the CBSE class 9 syllabus, as I told you. Now, I'll be telling you the important topics and you have to take a snapshot. Okay, so here is the syllabus, NTSE syllabus for math, that is mental ability test. So you can see we have verbal and non-verbal analogy. Then we have classification, alphabet and number test, distance and direction, Venn diagrams, calendar time and clock, embedded figures, word problems, water and mirror images, verbal and non-verbal series, coding, decoding, blood relations, paper cutting and folding, mathematical operations, missing characters, ranking and arrangement, cube and dice. Okay, now I request you to take a snapshot of it and start preparing. You can purchase a book if you want related to preparation for math, because math matters a lot for the scholarship perspective. Taken? I hope so. That's it for the session. Thank you so much for attending. Now it's time to say goodbye. Bye bye.